Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy simple step-by-step guide on how to open a TapTap send account. So let's dive into it, but before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because the channel helps me out. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to make sure you download the TapTap send app from the Google Play Store, or you can also use your Apple App Store, which is if you are an iPhone user. Then after that, you have to open the app. After installation, then select your country from the list of country, then enter your phone number and tap next. Then after that, enter the verification code sent to your phone, then fill in your personal details, which is your name, your full name, your email, then your address. Then set up a secure PIN for your account, then tap create account to finish the setup. And that's how you can easily open a TapTap send account, and that's it.